Deep cleans to restore and rejuvenate stained, faded vinyl surfaces. Leaves a protective waterproof barrier to help repel grime, stains, UV damage. Makes vinyl soft, supple, prevents drying out and cracking, increasing its lifespan. When original luster has been restored, simply maintain vinyl with Starbrite Ultimate Vinyl Guard Spray. Made with pride in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. This product is amazing. We have used this to clean the vinyl on our boat, and frankly, nothing else came even close to it. We tried all the other products that were recommended to us and none of them worked. But this took the dirt and stains right off. Even when we got some RTV sealant or whatever it was they had used to seal the water pump, nothing else could get it off, and Starbrite took it off in a few seconds. Absolutely amazing. Immediately went and bought 2 more bottles.